Finally, cryptocurrency prices are showing a little bit of life. They're falling. Now, they've been rising like crazy over the last couple of days and really over the last couple of weeks. And we're seeing some signs of profit taking and a little bit of indecision today. Ethereum's back down about 4%, XRP's down 3%, Bitcoin's down 0.5%. But guys, everything still looks extremely strong. You've got XRP at $3.50. These are essentially all-time highs. Ethereum sitting at $36.76. Down about $100 from the highs that it was testing yesterday. Bitcoin, 118,600. We are still doing very well, but nerves may be setting in just slightly as the Fear and Greed Index is ticking back down one notch, and altcoin season is at a level of 47. Teetering on that 50, starting, stopping. Well, we're going to be talking about it in this video. We're going to be focusing on Shiba Inu coin breaking multi-month price milestones amid a 15% rally. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. Now we're going to jump into Shiba Inu coin in a second here, but I have done a very good job of diversifying my portfolio. I own maybe 15 out of the top 20 cryptocurrencies, 15 out of the top 20 meme coins, and a lot of small meme coins as well. One of them is Pepe Meme. Now, if you haven't seen this one, you need to check this out. These guys are building an entire ecosystem around their token. They've got $3.7 million raised. In 6 days and 11 hours, they've got a pump DAO that is launching. They've got airdrops. So if you guys want to earn some free tokens, make sure to download the Apple App Store game, the Telegram, or coming soon to Google Play. So if you've got a superior phone, a Samsung like I do, you can go out there and download it on Google Play here coming soon, but it's already available on the Apple App Store and Telegram. Now, these guys have 3.3 million followers out on their X, which is absolutely incredible. And they've been able to get that much because they post Pepe memes and they get fantastic engagement. 538,000 views, 47,000, 37,000, 85, 625,000 views. These guys get a lot of attention, and I believe it's going to do very well for their token that they're building. Now, if you guys want to jump in, you've got a link for the website down in the description. You're going to click Buy Now at the top of the page, and you can see here that my balance is 110 billion Pepe Meme. At current prices, that's roughly around $10,000 worth. And if you guys are interested in buying in as well, all you got to do is click that link and click Buy Now. 500 USDT worth is going to let you walk away with 5.3 billion Pepe Meme. Now imagine being able to buy, a billion Shiba Inu coin or a billion Pepe at the current prices, right? That's kind of what it's like getting in this early. Now it is a risk because clearly we don't know how this token's going to do, but I know that during periods of extreme greed, when bull markets are ripping up, these tiny little tokens typically see the largest percentage gains, and that's because people are willing to buy anything and everything during the peak euphoria of a bull market. So I've secured my bag. If you guys want to grab some as well, you've got a link down in the description for it. But let's talk about Shiba Inu coin and what is going on here, because a lot of people are excited. Yes, we see volume increasing, social media interest increasing, the price is increasing. But as Ethereum has fallen a little bit this morning, sitting at 36.76, Shiba Inu coin has fallen a little bit as well, sitting at 15.08 at the moment. You can see a little bit of a red line, and as a matter of fact, if you look at this, it is passing the 200-day moving average. Came down and tested that as support this morning, which is very important that we didn't fall back down through. But nonetheless, this descending trend line that has taken place since 2021 is now acting as support, or resistance, sorry. If we break that, Shiba Inu coin could be on the verge of a major rally. So looking into it, this article goes on to say that Shiba Inu coin has experienced a massive surge over the last 24 hours, positioning the dog-themed meme coin for a potential multi-month price increase. Shiba Inu coin's price rallied 15% as technical breakouts signaled bullish momentum ahead for the coin. In the last year, Shiba Inu coin's volatility has prevented the meme coin from finding stability above 1,500 points per coin. The highest peak was 1,700 points per coin in 2025. Shiba Inu coin, according to CoinMarketCap, has jumped from a low of 1,503 to 1,585, almost breaching 1,600 points per coin. Now, as of press time, it's trading hands at this, and as of the time that I'm recording, it's trading hands at about 1,510, so just slightly below when they wrote this article. A 5% increase over the last 24 hours. Notably, the price outlook marks the highest level for Shiba Inu coin since early May. The one-year price chart sourced by CoinMarketCap. Shiba Inu coin is also experiencing a massive uptick in investor interest, with trading volume surging by 61% to $577 million within the same time frame. This suggests that investors are excited by the price boost and likely anticipate further climbs. Now, guys, I do anticipate further climbs in Shiba Inu coin, sitting at about 1,500 points per coin right now. It is doing a fantastic job. But we're only at a level of 67 on the Fear and Greed Index. Altcoin season teetering on that 50, 47 right now. Could be 57 like it was yesterday. But nonetheless, all of these indicators are pointing to even greater momentum and even greater potential. We can enter into an extremely greedy situation. And that's when investors buy the riskier assets, the meme coins that are out there. We haven't even begun to enter altcoin season yet, right? Teetering on that 50, entering, leaving. We could bring this all the way up to 80, 90 even. I don't know if it could reach 100 on altcoin season. That would mean that Bitcoin has like extremely low dominance, and Bitcoin's going to continue doing well. So I don't know if altcoin season can actually reach a level of 100, but nonetheless, we've got so much room to run even further. So I do believe that Shiba Inu coin, that meme coins, the cryptocurrency in general can move higher, and because of that, I continue to accumulate. Now, one of the places that I'm buying Shiba Inu coin is on the KSX exchange. You guys got a link for it down there in the description. You can actually grab it on up to 75x leverage, which means that if you invest $1,000 on 75x leverage, you're essentially buying $75,000 worth of Shiba Inu coin. Of course, understand the risk to reward of that. If it goes up in value, if Shiba Inu coin doubles, you just made $75,000. If Shiba Inu coin falls down just a little over 1% and you lose $1,000, right? You get margin called on that trade. So understand how leverage works. It can make a lot of money, but you can also lose money very quickly. And also, buying into these tiny little meme coins like Pepe Meme, I'm also loading up on Bitcoin Hyper as well. Now, Bitcoin Hyper is building the very first Layer 2 blockchain for Bitcoin, and I'm excited about it because Bitcoin is going to continue leading the way throughout this bull market. So let me know what you guys are buying down in the comments below, and until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.